By completing this lesson, you will be able to confidently use the word 休暇 in conversations. Example sentences include, I am on a holiday. She needs a break. Let's go on leave. These will enable you to discuss your vacation plans fluently in Japanese. 休暇休暇休暇休暇 is a noun used to refer to a break or holiday, commonly applied in contexts like work or school. It is a standard word to indicate time off or leave, and is used in both formal and informal situations. Whether you're talking about paid leave, vacation, or a break during the study period, 休暇 is the applicable term. The first kanji, kyu, in 休暇 means rest or break. It's a common kanji used when talking about taking a pause from activities. For example, yasumu, meaning to rest, suggests stopping an activity to relax. Kyujitsu refers to a holiday, a designated day to rest. Finally, kyuke is a short break, often referring to a brief pause in work or study. The second kanji, ka, in 休暇 means spare time or leisure. It's often used to describe periods when you're free from obligations. For instance, hima means free time, the moments when you're not occupied with work. Himatsubushi describes activities for killing time, emphasizing pastimes or diversions. Lastly, yoka translates to leisure time, underscoring periods set aside for enjoyment and relaxation. Please focus on these collocations with 休暇. Note how they fit into different contexts. Remember to practice shadowing to help solidify your understanding. 休暇を取る Take a vacation. 休暇を取る休暇を取る休暇を楽しむ Enjoy your vacation. 休暇を楽しむ休暇を楽しむ休暇が終わった Vacation ended. 休暇が終わった休暇が終わった長い休暇 Long vacation. 長い休暇長い休暇休暇を計画する Plan a vacation. 休暇を計画する休暇を計画する突然の休暇 Unexpected vacation. 突然の休暇突然の休暇休暇を取らなかった Didn't take a vacation. 休暇を取らなかった休暇を取らなかった休暇を延長する Extend the vacation. 休暇を延長する休暇を延長する予定通りの休暇 Scheduled vacation. 予定通りの休暇予定通りの休暇The common alternatives for 休暇 include yasumi, which is the general term for a break or holiday, and kyusoku, which is more about resting and taking a short downtime. Refresh is adopted from English and is often used when someone is taking a break specifically to renew their energy or refresh themselves. The antonyms for kyuka revolve around the concept of working, such as kimmu, which signifies duty or active work engagement, roudou, which means labor, usually in a physical context, and hataraku, which directly means to work or be engaged in tasks. Finally, let's practice the word kyuka with some questions. How would you say that someone will take a vacation next week, using 来週 for next week and 取ります for take? Consider his plans for taking a break. 彼は来週休暇を取ります。He will take a vacation next week. 彼は来週休暇を取ります。彼は来週休暇を取ります。Imagine talking about how you spent your vacation during the summer, using 夏 for summer and 過ごしました for spent. What activities did you enjoy? 私は夏に休暇を過ごしました。I spent my vacation in summer. 私は夏に休暇を過ごしました。私は夏に休暇を過ごしました。Describe how someone would enjoy a holiday with their 家族 using 楽しみました for enjoyed. Visualize them having a good time. 彼女は家族と休暇を楽しみました。She enjoyed her vacation with her family. 彼女は家族と休暇を楽しみました。彼女は家族と休暇を楽しみました。If you are organizing your holiday plans for a future vacation, use 次 for next and 計画しています for planning. What exciting destinations come to mind? 私は次の休暇を計画しています。I am planning my next vacation. 私は次の休暇を計画しています。私は次の休暇を計画しています。